Alright guys, I'm over here at my job. It's supposed to be a spot repair. It's pretty deep. See the clay right there? Sure. The clay. It's like 7 feet deep. Almost 8 feet deep. It took us all this dirt out. It took us about 2 days to find this dumb pipe. It's because there's a lot of electrical power, and when we're trying to locate it, it throws us off and throws us off. We finally dug straight down, and what we did was we installed a clean out over there, right over around that area, and then we put the machine through there to cable it. So we cabled it. We had a guy down here who was listening to it, and he was listening, and we finally found it. Took us a day and a half, and then we installed a clean out over here. I'll show you. We installed this clean out right here. Put the plug right there, but we're gonna put a clean out cap. So we have the machine right here, cabling it. But first, this clean out wasn't here. We installed this clean out. It was just clay, and then it goes underneath here, all the way out. So it was 4-inch clay, so we put a 4-inch combi down there. And then, because the reason why we had to do this is because we would cable it inside the freaking restroom up there. Not the two-story, but the restroom behind this wall. And it wouldn't reach. So we had to do that cleanup. It was like a must. So, and then I brought this new machine. Shit really helped out. But honestly, we tunneled that way, no pipe. And they told us, for sure it's that way, no pipe. Then we dug down, 8 feet down, no pipe. And then we finally heard it. We put the cable in. It was down that way, 2 feet down. That one. Alright, this job's for $3,500. We got lowballed. Should have been for like $5,000. My channel said he's gonna come out. He said $4,500. Came out with $3,500. They lowballed him. Alright guys, I'll show you before and after. Alright then. Alright guys, just came back. Look what the guys pulled out. Bam. Fuck. Size 12? Look at that. My foot's a size 12. From there to there to dang. Oh shit. This is about 3 feet. 3 feet long. Look at that. And I was cabling it. They broke through the connection. And I was cabling it. Look at that. This is where my cable was getting stuck to. Check that out. Look what the guys did. Oh. All that down there. We put a clean out there. 8 feet clean out. Combi. Yup. That's 6-inch down there. This side's 4-inch. That side's 6-inch. 6 to 4. So it's all 4-inch. But over there it's just the 6-inch to 4. Carry it, Johnstones. My dad right here.
Take me a picture.
Alright, hold up.
Like this.
Okay guys, so this is the root we pulled out. How long it is? It's 3 feet long. Look how thick this thing is. This thick. We hung it right here so the owner can see it. We hung it on the owner's tree. Oh wow. Look at that sucker. Oh, this thing is thick. Now this right here, 3,500 to take this thing out. We got more work to do. Upsells on the way. All right. Look at that. You see the tree? Look how big that thing is. This is Cali right here. California roots. All right. Talk to you guys later.